So the first moment I saw is when she landed in Bangalore, and that was the first time she also met our family in that way. And a person who comes all the way from there, trusting a stranger, complete stranger, and coming to a family here, I mean, that gave me a good, kind of a confidence that she's the one. Like, she trusts me, she believes me, and that's when I thought, okay, fine, she is going to be part of her family one day.
So initially when I started talking to Preetham online, I guess after 4-5 days I texted him that, listen, I think I like you. So he used to बहुत भाव खाता था उसमें, and he was like, I'm older than you, 1 year older. Doesn't make sense, Preetham. Love at first sight, I mean, I really liked him, I won't lie. But after he confessed his feeling to me back in 2020, but I panicked that time because I don't know what to say, because he hasn't met me, I haven't met him, we don't know, I thought he was not even a person, he was not a real person. After that I realized that, I really love him, so yeah.
I would say how they started and where they have come now. It's a match of Kolkata and Bangalore coming at Hyderabad and starting a life together with friends and families. So I think they should never forget how they connected and how they are progressing in their journey.
I have grown with her and I got so excited that she's getting married. I planned all the ceremonies in my head and I was so excited for the ceremonies, for Mehendi, Sangeet. We even practiced some dances and everything.
The Sangeet, the party, the fun, the exchange of vows, I guess the Mangal Sutras, everything, it's fun. It's like a blessing come true for us. Like, we as friends, we actually wanted Arshi to get married to someone who loved her. So thankful for that.
For me, for everyone being part of this wedding, being here, is a big thing for me.
They open to each other. ऐसे नहीं कि ये मैं हूँ बगल में, बात नहीं करना है, ये सब नहीं, मेरे सामने ही बात करते हैं. मैं सोचता हूँ मेरे को ये सब सुनना पड़ रहा है.
I have heard in pieces about their love story, and it's a very kind of unique love story, and I wish them all the best.
पहले मुझे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था लैंग्वेज का, वो लोग थोड़ा दूसरा कल्चर का है, हम लोग बंगाली है. फिर हमने वो बोला नहीं माँ बहुत अच्छा है वो लोग. फिर बोला ठीक है, तुम हैप्पी मैं हैप्पी, उसका लिए सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस.
Very happy married life to Arshi and Preetham. I think they are the bestest couple and they will live their happily married life ever.
खुश रहो और क्या, उससे ज़्यादा पैसे तो टैलेंटेड है ही दोनों, पैसे तो कमा लेंगे.
Our planning started since November. Like all the venue bookings, what all to wear, what kind of decor we want, who all do we want to invite, what kind of events we need. I think it's been an amazing experience altogether.
I mean, every single choice of flowers, every single what will be placed where, how will the wish box, everything was pre-planned right before.
चरा तटे मानव्यालकिं चरार्तडे मर्ममिल्लदिल्ल.
Genuinely, I'm like really happy, right? And it's the last wedding. Like, of course, Neil, I have to wait years to come, and you guys too. But then it's the last big celebration in our home. And as a sister, I'm very proud, right? And very happy, genuinely very happy that my brother is getting married. And to a girl like you know, Arshi, who is very silent and introvert, who balances, really very happy.
One fine morning, I saw a young boy, handsome young boy, standing beside Arshi. I knew what it was and I was very happy. I was sitting in my balcony and I was appreciating the two couple. They had love, affection within them. So I appreciate Gayatri, I appreciate Sapna, and I appreciate the two beautiful couple who will now be together. And I really wish them a very happy married life.
Be there for each other always. I understand like I'm no one to comment on marriage, but learning from my parents' relations and others' relation, I feel if I'm going up, I'll make sure you come on my part. I'll push you up and I'll make sure that you catch up with me or keep up together. I think I'm going a long way, and yeah, maybe in the next life also.
Let their dreams come true. I want to say just be happy and stay healthy.
I really pray that let the God keep them like this only. They should never change.
Whatever might come in the future for them, I know nothing will break them down because of the experiences that they've had in their life. They're gonna stand as rock and they will get through whatever it is.
Arshi's family is my family now. I got two daughters now, Arshi and Sapna. One big daughter and one younger daughter. And all Sapna's friends. They have become more like a family. And they are very cool family. What advice now I tell Arshi and Preetham, first become friends. Whatever you fight, whatever happens, think your friendship first, then you are husband and wife. So friendship will never break. Whatever it is, breakup के बारे में बात मत करो. You have to be friends always. So husband and wife is later stage. Don't get that ego to come in between your relationship as a friends. And God bless you both with twins.
Just want you guys to be healthy, happy and be blessed. Fight, but then that's what like makes the relationship stronger. Otherwise it would be boring. Life will be boring if you don't, right? The differences is where like you know you guys will come closer, but enjoy those little things, be happy and stay blessed.
And hopefully in the future when our kids watch it, like you know, they'll enjoy as much as we did today. So yeah, it's been an amazing experience.
Getting her to call my wife tomorrow is more exciting thing for me.
Same.